Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class I will show you how to install the Astra theme. So in order to do that, click on the appearance over here, and after that click on themes, and once you are on the themes, click on add new. If you have a downloaded theme, you can upload it from here, or you can do one thing, just search for Astra, and you will see that over here. Click on install, click on activate. Okay, so now your theme is active over here. What you can do is you just have to go to your website demo. Let me just copy this, and I will paste it over here. Let me just see how my template looks. Okay, so as of now it is almost same even after installation. Let me just click on customize. Okay, so once you click on customize, you will get interface something like this. This is not so good looking, and you will, as a beginner, you will not be able to customize anything over here because this is a bit difficult. So I have one shortcut for that. Just click on this crossbar and get out of there, and now you just have to search for plugin over here. Click on the plugin, add new, and search for Elementor over here. And after that you will get these results, so just scroll down and install this one. And these are some of the other snippets which are available over here, which if you want you can install. You can install this one also, and this one, and this one as well. Okay, so these are some of the 4 to 5 snippets which you have to install. So this might take a little bit of time for things to get installed, so just wait for a while. And so once this gets installed, you just have to click on activate. Once this installation has been done, you will get this activate button over here, where you have to click and activate all these snippets. Okay, so just wait for a while. Okay, so now all these snippets have been installed. You can just click on this activate and activate them one by one, or you can do one thing, just click on this install plugins over here, and the number of these plugins which are installed over here, you will get these options. Okay, so these are some of the Elementor options which we have just now downloaded. Just do one thing, select all of them, and this is also, and in the bulk action click on activate and say apply. Okay, so all these plugins what are present over here will get activated all at once. Or if you want to activate them one by one, or then you can do that also. Just click on this activate button. Okay, so now this has been done. Now let's just do one thing. Where is this theme? Okay, so once you activate them, you will get this option, which is did you know, whatever that is. This is basically the thank you from the installed Astra. Click on get started. So basically what this will do is this will install a few more plugins if it is required in order to start working with this Astra. So let's see what just happens, and this will give you some options. Okay, so I will select the page builder as Elementor over here. And after that you will be taken to the starter templates. So these are some of the starter templates. If you want to build a website for outdoor adventures, click on this theme. For pet care or the pet store, if you are building, then this is the option. So basically this is these are some of the starter templates which is provided by the Astra. If you want to build a website for a learning management system, then this is the best one. Even I have worked with the learning management system, and at time I have made use of this particular theme. Okay, so these are some of the starter templates which are given by the Astra. So just scroll down and select whatever template that you want, and everything over here is customizable. Let me tell you all that also. Okay, let me just proceed with you can do one thing. You can just search for whatever template that you want. Personal website. Okay, so I'm making use of the personal website. or you can just type blog over here if you are writing your personal or making your personal blog. Let me just go with this one. I will select this template, and this template basically has this 4 pages over here. You can do one thing. You can either import this entire website, which will consist of these 4 pages, or you can import one particular page. If you want this home page, then you can import that home page. If you want this work page, then you can import this work page. But as of now, I want to import this complete website, so I will say import complete website, and it will import everything. Then I will say import. Okay, so this will take some time for things to set up, and once that has been done, we will be able to see our website. Okay, so now click on this visit site. So now as you can see, this looks different compared to what we were able to see previously. So now what you can do is just scroll up, and you will now see this option which says edit with Elementor. Click on this option. After that, you will be taken to this page where everything is editable. Okay, so now if you want to see how your website looks on a cell phone, then click on this. Click on the mobile option over here, and now your website will be visible on cell phone in this manner. Okay, so now again click switch to desktop mode, and now suppose you want to change this name, then I will just click on this, and now I will erase all this thing, and I will say hello, welcome to my website. Okay, so this is how you can change anything and everything present over here. If you want to change this text, then you just have to click on it, and you just have to select everything over here, whatever that is present, and you just have to say the backspace, and you can remove this. If you don't want something, then you can do that also. Just right click on this, and you can duplicate it, or you can delete it if you don't want. I will say delete, and that text will be gone. And you can even change this background image. If you want to change this background image, click on this plus, sorry, not plus, it's edit section, I guess. Let's see. Okay, so it's edit section, and you can change the settings of this section or right from this place. So let's just go to the style. Let's see from where we can change this background image. Okay, so this is that background image. You can choose a different image if you want. You can upload a image from your PC if you have some downloaded images on your PC, then you can upload it. Let me just upload this image. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so these are some of the images which are already present with this template. You can select whatever image that you want, but let's see how this image looks or goes with this option. If you don't want to use that image, you can even make use of these free images from the Pixabay, and whatever images that are available on your website, all these images will be you will get it over here. Okay, so now let me just go with this image which is already present. I will say insert media, and now that image will be available on my site. And also make sure that whenever you make changes, you also see previewing it on the cell phone. You should also check how it looks on a cell phone and all. Okay, so this is how your website would be looking on a cell phone. Now again, let me just switch to dashboard. Now again, just scroll down, and just some of the other changes which you can implement. If you want to see the detailed tutorial about the Astra, you should check out my other videos. And that's all for today, guys. This is how you have to make changes, and everything is customizable. If you want to add a few more sections and all, then just click on this, and from here you can just drag and drop whatever that you want, and make the necessary changes. Okay, So if you want to insert the image, if you want to insert the header and all, everything is available which you can make use of. Thanks for watching.